Now, as seen on the screen, the Nio stock price yesterday finished trading at $6.34, up 14.44%. You will notice that after market hours, it even went to $6.45. The share price of Nio yesterday, in fact, from Thursday, it has been doing so well. I know there will be those that will say that this 14.4 it's not a short squeeze because look, people have got this thing of saying that until maybe it gets to 20% on a daily basis, then that's not a short squeeze. But me personally, looking at what the share price of Nio did in 2 days, I can say this was a short squeeze. You will remember that what happened is that on Thursday, Nio did a pre-launch of the ES8, and since that pre-launch, same as we saw on or after the pre-launch of the Onvo L90, we are exactly seeing the share price exploding or making a short squeeze, which is something that is just so great, something that is exciting. I mean, as I'm doing this video, you will notice there that, of course, Nio share price in the last week alone, last week, it went up 30%. In the last month, it went up 23%. Year to date, it is up 39%. Last 52 weeks, it is up 55%. Now, my dear friends, this is all thanks to the two models that Nio has sort of like launched, right? One of them has officially been launched and it has already been delivered to customers that have placed orders, and that is the Onvo L90. This second one, it is the Nio ES8, which, by the way, it appears that some of the people that place their Onvo L90 are thinking of converting their orders into the Nio ES8 because of the beauty, because of the technology, because of what they saw on Thursday. But anyways, we are not there. I want to talk to you on this video about the share price of Nio, which, ladies and gents, those people that thought Nio was never going to see double digits probably before the end of this year, they have to think again, because the share price of Nio, what is showing us, my dear friends, it is showing that this year we can finish on double digits, which is something that is just so great, something that is massive and incredible. Because look, just last month or in the last few weeks ago, the Nio share price, or this Nio share price, I remember very well, the share price of Nio was on $3.60. A lot of the Nio investors were feeling so down, like we were just all down, right? I mean, if I'm to quickly check, I mean, you will notice that by 7th of July, remember now we are still in August, just the 7th of July, the Nio share price was around $3.41. And knowing that just in a space of like what, 5-6 weeks, the Nio share price went from $3.41 to now $6.34. It's something that is just so great, because from $3.41 to $6.34, you and me can agree that it's almost, or we are almost heading to 100% increase in just 6 weeks, 100% upsurging in just 6 weeks, which is something that it shows you what Nio can do in the couple of weeks. I mean, remember how long it took for Nio to go down or to fall down to obviously that share price. It is almost 2 years seeing the share price of Nio falling down quite sharply, and seeing the massive recovery that we are seeing. It's something that is very relieving to the Nio investors. I see that the Nio investors all over the world are excited based off what they are seeing coming from Nio, and I'm one of those that are really excited, my dear friends. I'm one of those that are excited seeing the share price of Nio reacting the way it is, because look, we have been beaten down for quite some time, and finally seeing the massive recovery, it's something that is so relieving. And knowing that we've been taking the low trading price as opportunity to load the boat, it is something that gives us, or gives me, greater joy. Though I'm still on the red, but the fact that the share price gave me an opportunity to bring my average from $36 to now $13, it is just so crazy, so amazing. Because 2021, when Nio hit an all-time high of $66.99, Guess where my average purchase share price was? It was around $36, and right now my average onto Nio it's at $13. I know some of you guys will say, why are you not loading? I've been loading, guys. I've been doing whatever I can, which is why I'm happy with the progress thus far. I know that I said before Nio can get to where my average is, I want to at least catch it. I want it to catch me on single digit. But the way the share price is moving, it's responding aggressively. So I don't know if it will be possible, because I don't have that amount of money that will take my average share price to single digits. But however, I'll continue doing whatever I can to bring it down. I'll continue bringing it as long as the average is not above my share price. Me, all I'm going to do is to load the boat onto Nio, because I know one thing, and that is blue sky is coming. So yeah, my dear friends, I am happy, I am excited, and I thought I'd come and quickly give you the updates. Tell me what you think about this. Blue sky is coming, long term will win, and those that are persevering throughout the headwinds of the share price will most definitely be rewarded with time. Look, man, it takes me some time to make videos like this, and all I ask from you is to give it a thumbs up, because YouTube has been also telling me that you guys, some of you guys are just watching and not subscribing. You know that I've been here, I will be here, and whether Nio share price is up or down, I will forever be here giving you the latest content, latest developments. And yeah, all I ask from you is to subscribe, is to hit that notification bell, so that at least we can get this kind of content to spread out all over the world, so that at least people can know why Nio will be a long-term winner, why Nio is the company that we ought to be investing in. And of course, these are all just my opinions. It's not PR advice. I'm not saying buy Nio, I'm not saying sell Nio, I'm not saying increase your holdings. But look, there is opportunity onto Nio. My opinions, I think those that are persevering will be rewarded, and long term we will win. It's just the beginning. This is nothing compared to where Nio could be in the near future in terms of the share price. I have been telling you that, look, in as much as fundamentals are continuing to grow, share price ultimately it will also adjust itself and react positively towards the massive fundamentals that we see on Nio. And guess what? That is exactly what we are seeing right now. So like this video, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. That is all from me, and God bless you all.